How to recover deleted photos in Google Photos. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to recover deleted photos in Google Photos. So if you're also using Google Photos and you have a lot of photo which might have previously deleted, so first thing, just click on Google Photos and make sure you have enabled the option that is your backup. So what it does is, once you turn on your backup just like this, you will have automatically saved all of your photos as a backup, even if you delete it from your galleries or section or other applications. So once you do that, so you can always click on this collection photos or collection options over here and just click on this bin at the top and just select here, and you can recover basically any photos or videos, any files from over here. And just keep in mind that the backup items will be permanently deleted from this bin after 60 days, so make sure you have already restored your important videos or files from over here. And the next thing what you can do is just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for Google Drive support help, and you should be heading over to this option that is recover a deleted file in Google Drive. So once you're inside here, as you can see there, I can choose the option that is recover deleted file in Google Drive. So you can basically come over here and just search in for this particular option and just tap on this. And as you can see, if your device is Android, you can always come over to your Google Drive and click on this recover tab menu to recover it from as shown here on the screen. So you can also check out these features, that is recovering deleted files and photos from over here, and you can also read out the descriptions inside over here. And if nothing is working for you, you can just scroll down and click on this post a question button over here and describe your issue inside here, and just you can also include your screenshots or files like this. And on the category section, you can simply select your issue and just click on next, and Google Teams will be contacting you or reviewing your issue and should be fixing your issue within the next 24 hours or 48 hours. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.